Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate source for in-depth insights and updates on the latest motorcycles from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into one of Honda's most talked about cruiser launches of the year, the 2025 Honda Shadow Aero 750. This bike brings back the old-school cruiser vibe while blending it with modern reliability and rider-focused upgrades. So whether you're a seasoned cruiser enthusiast or a new rider eyeing your first mid-weight cruiser, the Shadow Aero 750 deserves your attention. A legendary lineage continues. The Shadow lineup has always been synonymous with rugged styling, dependable engineering, and an approachable power band. Honda's Shadow series has carved a special place in cruiser history since the 1980s. With the 2025 Shadow Aero 750, Honda keeps this legendary bloodline alive while injecting subtle modern elements to appeal to today's riders. This model continues the tradition of a low-slung chassis, wide handlebars, and a minimalist retro cruiser look, but now with refined lines, a sharper front-end profile, and updated ergonomics that make it more suitable for both city cruising and longer highway rides. Design and aesthetics, timeless cruiser looks. At first glance, the 2025 Shadow Aero 750 immediately pulls you in with its sleek and muscular stance. It features a long wheelbase, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a chopped rear fender that screams classic cruiser DNA. The tank gets bold new graphics for 2025, adding a modern touch to its vintage-inspired silhouette. The blacked-out engine components, matte finish exhaust pipes, and subtle chrome highlights strike the right balance between modern aggression and old-school charm. The LED headlight is slightly more compact but more powerful, giving the Aero 750 a leaner face while offering better visibility at night. Available color options include matte metallic black, deep red pearl, and a stunning gunmetal silver, each bringing a unique personality to the bike. Engine and performance, V-twin charm. Under the tank, the 2025 Honda Shadow Aero 750 is powered by a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, a configuration that has earned Honda high praise for smoothness and dependability. This engine produces around 44 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque, which may not sound like much on paper but feels just right for a cruiser of this size and weight. The low-end torque is delivered smoothly, making urban riding and low-speed cruising effortless. The engine has been slightly retuned for improved throttle response and reduced emissions, making it Euro 5 and BS6 compliant. The exhaust note is a rich, throaty rumble that's pleasing without being obnoxious. Whether you're idling at a red light or rolling down the highway, the Aero 750 sounds as good as it feels. Transmission and ride dynamics, smooth and predictable. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, offering linear power delivery and smooth gear shifts. The clutch feel is light, making it suitable for newer riders and perfect for daily commuting or weekend escapes. The low seat height of 25.8 inches ensures excellent stability at stops, especially for shorter riders. Honda has also revised the suspension setup with a 41mm front telescopic fork and dual rear shocks, optimized for better ride quality over rough surfaces. Handling is confident and predictable, even at low speeds. The bike feels planted during corners and stable on the highway. The 2025 Shadow Aero 750 doesn't pretend to be a sport bike, it's a laid-back, smooth cruiser made for enjoying the ride rather than chasing lap times. Braking and safety, enhanced confidence. For braking, the Aero 750 gets a single 296mm disc at the front and a 180mm drum at the rear, paired with single-channel ABS as standard. While dual-disc setups are becoming more common, this combination works well for the kind of riding the Shadow is built for. The braking system provides progressive feedback and enough stopping power for most real-world scenarios. The front disc is particularly effective, offering reliable bite and control even under quick stops. The addition of ABS makes the bike safer for new riders and gives experienced riders extra peace of mind during emergency braking or wet road riding. Comfort and ergonomics, built for the long haul. Comfort has always been a strong suit for Honda's cruisers, and the Shadow Aero 750 continues that trend. The The low-slung, wide saddle offers great cushioning and support for both rider and passenger. The forward-set foot pegs and swept-back handlebars create a relaxed riding triangle that reduces fatigue during long rides. Honda has also included small refinements like rubber-mounted foot pegs to reduce vibration and a redesigned rear seat that is more accommodating for passengers. Wind protection remains minimal, in true cruiser fashion, but the optional accessories include a clip-on windscreen, saddlebags, and backrest, allowing you to convert it into a tourer if needed. Technology and instrumentation, classic simplicity. The Shadow Aero 750 keeps things simple when it comes to technology. The analog speedometer with a digital inset gives you access to trip meters, a clock, and fuel level. It's minimalistic, but functional, staying true to the cruiser ethos of focusing on the ride rather than digital distractions. There's no ride-by-wire, traction control, or fancy riding modes, which purists will appreciate. This is a motorcycle that invites you to take full control without electronic interference. That said, Honda has improved the lighting system significantly. The bike now features full LED lighting, including the headlamp, tail light, and turn indicators, ensuring better visibility and longevity. Fuel efficiency and maintenance, Honda reliability. The Aero 750 remains one of the most economical cruisers in its segment. It delivers a solid 60 to 65 miles per gallon, around 25 to 28 km/L, depending on riding habits and conditions. With its 3.7-gallon fuel tank, that gives you a potential range of over 200 miles on a full tank. Like most Hondas, the Shadow Aero 750 is built to last with minimal upkeep. It uses a shaft drive instead of a chain, reducing the need for regular lubrication and adjustments. Combined with Honda's reputation for bulletproof engineering, this bike offers one of the lowest maintenance experiences in its category. Pricing and availability, accessible and competitive. The 2025 Honda Shadow Aero 750 is priced competitively, aimed at attracting both first-time cruiser buyers and seasoned riders looking for a secondary, easygoing motorcycle. In the US market, pricing starts around $8,799, while in other global markets, the equivalent cost puts it squarely in the mid-size cruiser segment. For the features, finish quality, and Honda reliability you're getting, it offers tremendous value. Expect the Aero 750 to be available at dealerships globally starting from late summer 2025, with bookings already open in several regions.